Hello everybody, this is Isaac Angel and you're watching Where Are We Going? Today we're installing Renogy 175 watts flex solar panel to my roof, and I'll show you the process. Now I'm going to combine solar power with my Ecoflow Delta for indefinite power for my RV. So stay tuned. So I got my solar panels from Renogy. This video is not sponsored by any means, but it's a 175 watts flex panel, and that would do the job since it requires minimum installation. A double-sided tape will basically hold this in place and some sealing around it, and we're planning on opening a hole for the entry point around here somewhere, and that will feed up my Ecoflow Delta battery indefinitely, so that's perfect. So we're planning to bring in the cable through here somewhere, because typically when the cable comes down, I put the Ecoflow Delta somewhere underneath the dinette over there, and with the 12-volt entry port over there, it will be perfectly tapped into the van's 12-volt wire system and feed up every outlet, every light, every fan, anything that works on 12-volt, refrigerator, water heater, water pump will be working perfectly. And if you're here in the Northeast New Jersey area, and if you need somebody professional, you should not use anybody but Patrick. He's fantastic with van building or renovations or upgrading. So I'm gonna leave his contact details in the description below, so use him. He's wonderful. This is Patrick's, one of Patrick's self-built vans. This one is his current van that he actually traveled 48 states in 365 days. He did it. I followed his trips. It's amazing. And you can follow the adventure at patch_works with an X. Yeah, we're looking for the studs before we drill a hole. So Patrick is using a stud finder to make sure that we don't go through a stud or anything like that. And a great feature that Ecoflow Delta comes with the MC4 connector cable that allows you to connect straight to its charging port, and you don't have to do anything. It's literally plug and play pretty much. So it comes with this cable, and all I have to do is attach these two onto the Renogy's cables, and that's it. And once this cable goes in through the roof, I have power. So we just broke through the ceiling right there, where the fabric covering all the mechanism of the loft bed. Now we're just coming in with a bigger drill. And there's light. And there it is. The cable came straight through. A big success. And to mount it onto the roof, we're using Scotch Extreme double-sided mounting tape, all weather. And obviously before mounting it on top, we cleaned it. And now we're gonna clean also the roof deck. I mean a rooftop. We're gonna clean the rooftop so that it sticks nice. And these are really strong, so, and it's got a rating of 30 pounds, and the panel is only like 17 pounds, so it should be fine. Come on. And once that's done, we also will waterproof the edges of the panel with this waterproofing repair tape. It's a silver one. I couldn't find white, but it's fine. So that'll be cool. So nothing goes through, no air, no water. That will be perfect. I have to correct my statement. It actually weighs 6.2 pounds. So yeah, 30 pounds tape will handle it way easily.
As long as the wind doesn't add 30 pounds of pressure.
That's why we're using the sealing tape around the edges, so that there's no air and there's no water, no gaps whatsoever to lift this up. And moment of truth. The tapes have been added, the double-sided tapes, and now Patrick is sticking the panel to the roof. Well, hello.
Hello. How are you today?
Good. So now we're just adding the sealing tape, and that should be good forever and ever.
Forever and ever.
And here's the finished product. We have solar, we have endless energy. That's it, a simple hole on the roof, and everything else is glued. You guys should do it. If you're thinking about it, go for it. So that's it. It was not that difficult. Anybody can do it. All you have to do is get yourself a generator. Mine is Ecoflow Delta. The link to buy it if you want it is in the descriptions below. Other than that, solar panels, and also the fact that mine is a Renogy 175 watt flexible makes it a lot easier to install. So I have a link for that below as well. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Until then, see you on the road.